all that money. Like, why I need to put my life together? Toxic. My name is Sasha, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
I see you in the city. Do they know you with me? Are you with me, baby?
This is actually not my first time doing YouTube. Did start YouTube 3 to 4 years ago when I was in high school. I don't think I have access to that account anymore. I don't know. It might just be good to start off on a clean slate. For those of you who don't know me, I am an esthetician and a lash tech. Well, I guess. This is my fourth time recording YouTube video. In the past maybe 2 weeks, I just haven't been feeling the best. I just didn't want to put that out there, especially for my first video. I did not plan on coming to my suite, at least for right now. I wanted to go to the bank, but I'm here, so I'll just do what I was gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna run it. Can you guys see coming? There's literally nobody here. So let me show you my suite. This is the front door. Alright, so this is my suite. Super cute. I love it. I love it so much. I worked very hard to get here, and it's literally just the beginning. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna put these things up and grab what I need. I actually look so bomb today. So I bought these raffle tickets off of Amazon because February is coming up and I want to do a raffle for my clients. It'll be coupons, and then they pick out of a bowl or something, and then it'll have $5 off, $10 off, etc., etc. They're so cute. It's purple. So I'm gonna do this. I don't know when I'm gonna do this. Maybe sometime next week. Then I have this. It's not 100. Yeah, it probably is. I don't know. Anyways. I'm taking my iPad. I'm taking this water. And it's so cold. Let's see. I'm gonna go to the bank. Let me just count how much cash I'm depositing. I went to the ATM the other day. The amount I deposited was coming up short $10 than what I had counted. I ended up having the cash returned back to me. They sent back the deposit in 2 different stacks. The first stack I ended up grabbing, but it was $20 had fell on the floor, so I went to go grab it. I didn't know they were gonna send the second half of the money back. I don't know why I didn't think they would do that. I reached for the money, I held the money, and I guess I didn't pull it out fast enough, and the ATM literally sucked the money back. And then I'm waiting to see how much money they took back on the screen. I wanted to see how much. They ended up saying that I deposited no cash at all. So I lost all that money in the ATM. So I filed a dispute a couple of days ago. So I just like to verify how much money I have before I go deposit it, because that was wild. By the way, look at my nails. They're super cute. I got my toes done as well yesterday. Little did I know, me feeling really bad was because I didn't have my nails or my toes done. I love getting manicures. I love getting pedicures. I just love feeling good. I couldn't figure out why I was feeling so shitty. It was because I didn't have my nails done. But I just never thought I would be addicted. We're better now. On my way to the bank. There's so much people on the road, like it's driving me crazy. I just hate this road. Like it's always busy. Like the only time it's not busy is at night. That's so embarrassing. That was like so intense and it should not have been intense. After this, I am going to go clean my car. Like I clean my car every 2 weeks. I honestly don't remember the last time I cleaned it. I let my car get really bad before I go clean it again. Like I clean it every 2 weeks. I try to clean it every 2 weeks. Alright, let me show you on my camera. I got the Canon G7X Mark II. I'm gonna show you guys how my car look on the camera. Hey vloggy vlog. It's so bad. Why is it not? Okay, there it goes. Literally, like, it's the dust that's taking me out. Like, the back is not that bad. No one be back here. When it's in the car wash. I just have to vacuum out my car. Hopefully. Oh, but bad. It literally smells so bad. Like it stinks. I don't know where it went. I gotta find it. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to wait for the thing to tell me to go. I hate being on this side. Probably is way too much. Let me mind my business. I'm going to pick up stuff like in the car. Wait, I don't want to listen to music. So they gon' not try to be something they ain't. I made a call on, but I just complain that
I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away.
I just finished vacuuming the car. I ended up finding little Joe. I was looking for him. So let me empty my trash. I got these cute little trash bins. They're from Amazon. I'll just wipe some down first. Wipes like to sanitize. They're hand wipes. I mean,
hello.
Hi.
My name's Terrell. What's your name?
Sasha.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes,
Yeah.
I do. You're good. I just got that on camera. Look how dirty my steering wheel was. Oh, man, we're plotting on me.
Oh gosh, look at my lotion. Wiggly and jiggly.
Fucking
Personally,
fucking. But no, I don't care because I'm not gonna post on it.
She
I'm
can-
a YouTuber.
baby, no. I gave you an invite.
It is definitely the next day. It's actually Sunday the 22nd. I forgot to do an outro. Just want to say, if you got this far, I mess with you. Stay tuned for more and better videos. Y'all know this was my first video, so y'all cut me some slack. But yeah, I appreciate y'all support. Support your girl. Like, comment, share, subscribe, the whole shebang. And I'll be back with more videos, loves. Bye.